here's the problem. These Menards intermodal cars are awesome, but the trucks have a lot of play in them. So when the car's on the track, it wiggles a lot. So the way I fixed it was putting a piece of string, just regular string, around here. Sorry, this is my first video. I just wrap it around and then tape it up here. And I wrapped it with the string going through where the gap is right there. See where the gap is? That's where the string goes. So here's the string wrapped around the center part. And I don't tie the string, I just wrap it around and then I tape it in place with Scotch tape. And then you can see it still turns very easy. But see how much tighter it is? And this one I haven't done yet. It's real sloppy. And then this one, much tighter. Anyway, hope that helps.